Hi, I'm Ian from CATERed. Today we're going to be cooking another favourite for the children. It's cheesy wheels. It's a simple dish to do. You can use items that most people have in their cupboards. You can use instant mash, you can use mashed potato left over from the day before. It's a simple thing to do. Cook along with me. Come on, let's have some fun again. So on to the ingredients. You've got 453 grams of mashed potato. You can use a mashed potato left over from the day before, or you can use instant mash if you've got it in the cupboard. The choice is yours. You've got 453 grams of shop bought puff pastry, 350 grams of strong cheese. I'm using the cheddar, I like the flavour that comes through. You've got 15 grams of mustard powder, a bit of salt for seasoning, and then a little bit of milk to milk wash it at the end, ready to go in the oven. So you've got your mashed potato, it's cooled down. What you want to do is add in your cheese, add in your mustard powder, a little twist of salt, just for seasoning, and then you want to mix it together. Just making sure the cheese is going to melt, so it doesn't have to be really smooth, because you're going to roll it out into the cheese wheels anyway, and you kind of want those lumps and bumps of cheese coming through. So as you can see, it's all coming together nicely, nice and easy to mix through, and that's how you want it. Perfect. So now it's time to roll the pastry out. Lightly dust the work surface. Get your block in front of you. And you want to roll it out as evenly as possible. I got my puff pastry out of the fridge probably about 20 minutes before I'm about to work with it, just so it's a little bit easier to roll out. You want it to be about 5 millimeters thick. And you want to have it even all the way through. So just like that. Then you're going to get your potato and spoon it on. And you want to spread this evenly as well. I plonk it in. See the colour? It looks awesome. Let's get rid of that. So just want to spread it out as evenly as possible. This dish is so popular in the schools. The kids absolutely love it. So that you making this for your children at home is just going to be so good for them. So then you roll it up towards you, getting it nice and tight, like a Swiss roll. So you've got a nice Swiss roll. Just trim off the ends a little bit. So now you want to cut them into about 2.5 centimetre circles, like little Swiss rolls. A slightly wet knife does make your life a bit easier on this, so the potato doesn't stick. It doesn't matter if it's not exactly 2.5 centimetres. It's not gonna ruin the world. And then just the off trimmings. Evenly space them on a tray, because they are going to expand and spread out. I'm going to put about 6 to a tray, just so they've got room to spread. Then, as I said, I'm going to just gently milk wash it a little bit. Just gives it a little bit of extra colour. Then they're going to go into the oven at about 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. So here you go, it's the finished result. They look great, they really do smell good as well. Something that the kids can really have fun making, and you'll have fun making it with them. Sit down, eat together, enjoy. So on to the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Stay safe. From Ian and CATERed. Goodbye.